Hello everyone. This is Mathu from GROBOOK Multi-Venture Limited. Today I am going to talk about Chikmagalur tourism. Before getting into this topic, please subscribe this channel and write down your comments if any. Chikmagalur is a scenic hill station located in the Chikmagalur district of the Indian state of Karnataka. It is known for its coffee plantations, rolling hills, and diverse wildlife. Here are some of the top tourist attractions in Chikmagalur. Mullayanagiri, this is the highest peak in Karnataka and is a popular trekking destination, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Baba Budangiri, this is a sacred mountain range named after the Sufi saint Baba Budan and is known for its scenic beauty and ancient shrines. Kudremukh National Park, this national park is known for its rich biodiversity and is home to several endangered species, including the lion-tailed macaque and the Indian wild dog. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. This wildlife sanctuary is located near Chikmagalur and is home to several species of animals, including elephants, tigers, and leopards. Coffee plantations. Chikmagalur is known for its coffee plantations, and visitors can tour the estates and learn about the process of coffee production. Hebbe Falls, this picturesque waterfall is located amidst lush greenery and is a popular spot for picnics and photography. Jhari Waterfalls, this is another beautiful waterfall located near Chikmagalur and is a popular spot for trekking and nature walks. Chikmagalur is located around 250 kilometers from Bangalore and is easily accessible by road. The best time to visit is between September and March, when the weather is pleasant and the landscape is at its most beautiful. Thank you for watching, and I will be back with a new video shortly. Stay tuned with GROBOOK.